Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we'll be doing an overview of the various filters available in the Amazon Flips feature. To view the filters, scroll down to the bottom half of the page, where the filter section is located. Here, you'll find several expandable subsections, each containing a different group of filters. These include Analyze Price during these time frames, Reduce number of results, Decide what to show. Let's start with the Analyze Price during these time frames. This section allows you to set the specific time frame you want Tactical Arbitrage to analyze. If you leave any of these fields blank, Tactical Arbitrage will analyze all available data, covering up to 1 year of product history since the item was first scanned by any user. Within this section, you can define time frames for average buy box sales price, average Amazon sales price, Amazon is the seller, average third-party sales price, FBA or MF sellers, lowest sale price. If you don't change any of these fields, Tactical Arbitrage will calculate averages for all days since the product was initially tracked. Let's move on to Reduce number of results. This section contains the more conventional filters that determine which results are shown based on your preferences. For example, if you set Remove if number of reviews is less than 5, the scan will automatically skip products with fewer than 5 reviews. The rank filter lets you exclude products with a sales rank above a certain number. For instance, entering 100,000 means any product ranked higher than 100,000 will be excluded from the scan. You can also customize these rank filters per category. To do this, toggle the As Per Setting switch and click the accompanying button. A pop-up will appear allowing you to set specific rank limits for each Amazon category. For example, entering 200,000 under Home and Kitchen will remove products in that category with ranks higher than 200,000. The values you manually enter will appear in black, replacing the default gray values. These gray values are calculated based on the percentage you set, so adjusting the percentage, for example, from 1% to 3%, will update the gray default values accordingly. The gray defaults will remain active unless you override them with custom entries as long as the toggle beside As Per Settings remains on. Important note, for the filters Remove if Amazon has been in stock and Remove if Amazon has not been in stock over the last. If you enter more days than the product has available data for, Tactical Arbitrage will simply analyze the maximum data available. Finally, let's look at Decide what to show. The time frame used for all filters in this section is based on the Analyze Price during these time frame settings, if you've configured them. If no time frames are set, the system will include all available products by default. Using the Show if the average third-party sales price when Amazon is out of stock filter, we'll find products where the third-party sales price, when Amazon is out of stock, exceeds the Amazon price by a set multiplier. To use this filter, simply enter your multiplier value and toggle it on. Similarly, the Show if any average sales price condition is least filter functions the same way. Just enter your multiplier and turn it on to activate. Another filter allows you to include results on the View Flips page when the current price is a certain percentage above or below the average new sales price, average Amazon price, or average new sale price when Amazon is out of stock. Again, enter your percentage and enable the toggle to activate. Lastly, if you'd like to scan to analyze every product variation, turn on the corresponding toggle to enable that option. And that brings us to the end of our overview of the Amazon Flips filters. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.